Guess I am live now. Let's just check once quickly if, if everything is working fine or not. Okay, I'm live. Okay, so I'm live. That's a pretty cool thing. And before we begin, let me do some settings first. I think I have posted on the community that I will be streaming at 9:30, but I think I have just begin earlier, a little bit earlier. Okay, 9 p.m. I have said. No problem. This let's just quickly. Hmm, I think the sound is. I assume the sound is coming all right without any cracks, and without taking much time, we will start in next 5 minutes, I guess. Uh, I'm unable to see the chats. I think I'm not able to see the chats. Uh, no props. We will be using our YouTube for this. If uh, hmm. So here we go. So wait for another 5 minutes and then we begin. I guess I want to see if I want to see the viewership, how I will be able to do it. Let's go on a Brave over the buyer and we go on YouTube. Uh, Let me just quickly see if I am live or not. Okay, that is a pretty cool thing. YouTube Studio. I should not open it in live, I guess. Hmm. We will be starting soon. So yesterday we have done 8 levels of Bandit. Today we will go furthermore and let's just see how interesting it is. And I think all the things are going well as of now. Let's just before beginning, let me just quickly check the sound again. So we got, I think we have the viewership. 4 people are already watching. So let's just not waste the time and begin our hacking process, hacking journey, and we will play the Bandit game again. We have already, those who don't know, those who have come for the first time in the stream. My name is Ayush Upadhyay, and this is my channel Vyad. Here we will be doing exciting things regarding hacking and cybersecurity, majorly penetration testing and solving HTTP labs. I should look here. My webcam is placed here. I forgot. So we will be practicing CTFs, solving CTFs, and solving OSINT labs. And also we will see HTTP machine walkthroughs. From the past stream, I have got a feedback that I should start from basics. So after completing the 30 levels of the Bandit, we will move to Linux fundamentals. I will take out one book and use one book with practical demonstration. Then we move to bash scripting. Let me just see the chats. I have to use my phone. Okay, so let's just not waste time, and should we start? I'm unable to see the chat, I guess. Oh, if it's good if I see the chat. So there are no chats, I guess. No problem. We should begin, I guess. And we will be doing Bandit Lab. So let's just not waste time more, and moving on, we go to Bandit again. Same old thing. I think we have cracked the password for level 8 and we have stored it in a text file. Let me just quickly get that text file. Okay, so we have Bandit 8, and this was the password for login to Bandit 8 or Bandit 9. Let me just quickly go through. So we will be beginning with the SSH protocol and same Bandit. Okay, so I think we were on Bandit 8. So let's just begin, and I think we are on Bandit 8, and let's just try the password. If I paste the clipboard, it's showing permission denied. I guess I have to jump to Bandit 9. We have already solved the Bandit 8. Oh sorry, 98 I have done. My bad. So we have on the chat Hunt Gaming. Thank you for joining the stream, bro. Let's just paste the password. Okay, finally enjoy your stay. Network access is limited for most levels by local firewalls. Let's just see the what we have to do in this. We will be going from level 9 to level 10. Before that, if someone is still joining or not. Okay, so we have limited people today. No problem, we will be going through. The password for the next level is stored in data.txt, one of the human readable string preceded with several characters. Okay, it's easy, I think. So let's just do ls, and we will use the same extension alps, and we have data.txt. Let's do cat data.txt. Oh, it's not readable. So I guess we should be using we will cat this file. We will take its output, and we'll just use a piping command and use grep as we have used earlier. Grep command is used for finding a specific string. In this case, the hint is given. The instructions are the string is preceded. Preceded means it is starting by several equal to characters. So we will be doing the same thing. We will be doing equal to and close the inverted comma and enter. So grep standard input binary file matches. Okay, so it's not giving me the data. Let me just quickly see that again, why it is not working. Cat data dot txt, and we will be doing the pipe command and a Rakshit Tyagi. Thanks for coming to the stream, brother. Uh, let's just use grep and simple equals to without any inverted commas. Okay, so binary file matches standard input. Again, it is showing the same thing. We just quickly go through what I have done before in Bandit 9. We have used that grep. I think we should not use the cat command. Instead, we can ls ALSP for this. We have data.txt and we can, I guess we are okay. Let me just quickly uh, hmm. So we have the data.txt file. We have to find the characters that are beginning with equals to sign. So we will do cat. Why this command is not working, I don't know. Let's just try it one more time. We will use the piping command and we will be doing grep and equals to and binary file matches standard input. Oh, standard input. So let me just, oh, my camera is not working, I guess. Let me just quickly see why my camera is not working. It should work, I guess. 96567. Dread cam. I guess it is working now. Hmm, pretty good. Yes, it is working now. So grep command is not working. Let's just quickly see the man grep. Oh, man grep, and we will quickly go through how it will work. We have to find fixed strings, F for fixed strings, G for basic grep. There is no other reason. Let me just quickly test it. Let me create a test file, nano text or text dot txt, and we will create simple starting with equals to random keywords. Okay, so let's just save it once and we will be doing same thing, cat text dot txt. Okay, so these are the strings. Now we will use the cat command for cat.txt piping and we will do grep and equals to. So it is working, but why it's not working here? It's saying that it is a binary file. So binary file matches. Hmm. Camera not working. Yes, bro. Thank you for telling me that camera is not working. I've just seen now it is. I think it is working now. Okay, so I think we should do that exit and let's just connect it one more time, and the password is stored here. Let me just copy it and paste it here, paste the clipboard. Let's just do enter. We will do ls alsp. The data.txt is present here. We will do cat data.txt and enter. And there are several. Okay, so I think I got the password. This is the password, I guess, because this is the only one starting with equals to. Although this is not practically right to see, there are also equals to present. This can also be the password, but it is not readable. So I guess this is the password, but why cat command is not working. I'm still not able to get that. Let's just do another thing. Cat data dot txt, and we will do grep again is equals to grep standard input. Similarly, it is showing the same error. If past equals to 2, why it is not working still? Okay, but still we got the password, I guess. uh, yes, we got the password, but we should see why the command is not working. Let's just copy it. Let's just first try if it is working or not. We will be opening a new tab, doing the same thing, SSH connection, Bandit, and we will be moving to level 10. Let's just see the level 10 hints for level 10, any instructions particular. The password for next level is stored in data.txt, which contains a base 64 encoded data. So for base 64, okay, we can use extension. Control Shift V, enter. So we have connected to Bandit 10, I guess. So let's just do one thing. Let's do AL again. We have data.txt. We should cat it once so that we can see what. Okay, so it is encoded, I guess. So we can use, I guess, a base 64. Base 64. Let's see the usage. Oh, my bad. Man, base 64. Let just quickly see what. Okay, for decoding, we have this. Oh, we got thing. I think we got this base 64 decoding, and we should give that destination of the file. And I think okay, we got the password once again, and we just copy and move to next level. We will kill this terminal, and we will do a happy Karwa Chauth. Same to you, bro. SSH connection. We will do Bandit, and we will be moving to Bandit 11 this time. We have connected to the server of Bandit 11. Let me just quickly paste the password. So basically the process of doing this Bandit is the level which going on currently, you will get the password to solve the level in the previous level. So once you solve the level, you get the password and you can log into another level. I think I guess there are 33 levels. Okay, so I guess we can cover 10 to 12 till 24 we can cover easily today. Let's just start with it, and we will do lsaspl. We have data.txt. We will cat this file again, cat data.txt. Okay, so there is error of spelling. Why the keyboard is not okay? So this is also, I think, some kind of encoded string. I guess this is the THEPAS. It is the password is, it is same as the command. I think it is encoded. So let's see what encoding we have used to encode this file. Let me just quickly go to 1111 to level 12. Okay, so we have used rot 13. Okay, so I think we have online decoders for this rot 13 decoder. Let's just copy this string or characters and go to our rot13.com. Let me just paste it, and yes, we got the password, I guess. Copy. We got the password for the next level, so we will do exit, and we will be logging in again with the same method of SSH, this time level 12. So before moving on to this, we should get a little bit knowledge on what is rot 13. So let's just open the Wikipedia, open link in the new tab, and okay, so raw 13 is simple substitution cipher that replaces 13th letter. Okay, so A is replaced by its next 13th character in the alphabet series, so it is replaced by N. So it is a simple encoding, I guess. Not that much. Okay, the numbers. Uh, I I don't know that the numbers will not be replaced. Only the alphabet will be replaced. So you can see 7 is remain same, 16 is same, 5 is same. Only the alphabets are changed. So this was the hint of this level. We will go to Bandit 12. We have the password. We have the password. Let's see, where's the password? I have copied or not. Let's just copy it and move to this. Paste clipboard. I think it will show error permission denied. Yes, it has. So we are through Bandit 12. Let's just see what to do in this. We will do ASPL again, and there is again exist a data.txt. Let's see what to do in this level from level 12 to level 13. The password for the next level is stored in file data.txt, which is a hex dump. Okay, so it is a hex dump. So for hex dump, okay, I got it. How to do it? Grep sort unique. Okay. So the file has been repeatedly compressed. For this level, it may be used to create a directory under the temp in which you can work. Use mkdir with a hard to guess directory name, or better, use the name mktempt. Then copy the data files into cp, then rename it using mb. Okay, so it's a bit good level, I guess. Let's just see what is cat data.txt. I think it is a hex file. Yes, it is. It is 8 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 characters. It is a hex file. So we have to crack this, I guess, file. Data dot txt. So it is a sky task text. So I think we have to convert it. So let me just use type data.txt and enter. Okay, type not found. Okay, it will not work directly. Let's just create a temporary folder. Temp cannot create a directory, file exist. Okay, what should we make then? For this level, it make under. Okay, so we have to redirect to first temp, and oh, I made a mistake again. Cd temp, and we'll do ls. I think ls is permission denied. Ls is permission denied, and we will do one thing. We will make another directory with a hard to guess name. I think we can use something like what we can use. Apple 69. I guess this should work. And yes, it is. Ls, we'll do ls. Okay, we cannot do ls, so we will directly go to this directory 69 apple 69. So we are in this directory. So we can do one thing. We can do go to sudo folder, and let's just copy this data dot txt to temp apple 69. I think we have copied, so we will move to temp apple 69. I guess we have the data.txt. We have data.txt. So what should we do in this? Let's just do one thing. We can, what command can be used? Uh, uh, let's just use a type command, but it cannot specifically detect the type of the data.txt. So once we have, let's see the Let's just quickly see the chat, what is going on in the stream. And then we move on to the, okay, so two people are watching. One is me itself and Bandit. So let's see what to do. So there was a background noise, I guess, little bit background noise. Sorry for that. And we are in level 12. So I think there is no chat as such, no new chat. Do we have new people on the stream? There are 3 people already watching. That's good, I guess. Let's just do one thing for hex, I guess. Let me just quickly go through the level 12 to 13. And I think they have given the command for something. Grep, sort, unique, string, space, 64, tar, zip. Okay. I think this is compressed using gzip or vzip2 xxt. Okay. You can use xxt, I guess. Session, new tab. We will do xxt. Man, let's just quickly read the documentation of. Okay, I think it is xtd. It's not xt. What it is? It is xxt. Why it is not working? No manual entry. Okay, so there are no manual entry for xxt as such. It is a system command, I guess. It is not installed. Okay, no problem. Let's just, I think it should be installed in this xxt. We will do our extension for hexa dumping of this file. We will do data.txt and data.txt. What more we can do? Data.txt. We have encoded the file already and 60. Okay, so we can I want the output to be stored in my new file, so we should say we can create a new file.bin. Okay, it work, I guess. File.bin, cat file.bin. It is working. We got some type of text here. It is still unreadable. Let's just move and we can use file command, file.bin. Okay, so we have got the information of the file, what it is, and lastly it is gzip compressed data. Okay, so we will use gzip command, and if I am not wrong, gzip, how to use that command, like I'm not getting the extension, I'm not able to remember that. Let's just quickly see. Man, gzip, zcat also be used, gunzip also be used, sky c standard decompress. Okay, so d can be used as an extension. uh, let's just quickly read the chat. No new chat. Okay, no problem. Let's just do one thing. We will do gzip and decompress this file.bin. File.bin unknown suffix ignored. Okay, so it is, I think first we need to rename this file. So for rename, we can use mv file.bin and we will use a gz extension before uncompressing it. Gz. Okay, the file name is changed, I guess. Okay, so we use the gzip command .gz. I guess it is, we got file. So we do file. It is a bzip2 compressed data, block size 900k. Okay, now it is bzip2. So it is another way of compressing the data. I think the Extension will be same, bzip2. So decompressed can be used in this case. So let's just do one thing. Let's we just rename this file. MB file. We'll do file and dot bz2, the extension for bzip files. And yes, I guess we got it. And let's just convert this bzip to not convert. We will decompress this file. File dot bz2. I think we have got file. We will do file again, and this time it is okay, so it is a series of compression in this. So it is again gzip compressed data, so it is still not human readable. So we will do another renaming. We will do file dot, this time it is gzip, so we will use gz and file dot gz. Just wait. Okay, so I guess my sound is coming right. So 4 people are still watching. Thank you for. Okay, the sound is coming all right. So we have renamed the file. We will do ls again. We will see the content. We have file.gz. This time we will do gzip. We will decompress this file.gz. So we have done this again, I guess. So again we got file. So we will use file command to see what was the history of this file. It is a POSIX tar archive. POSIX tar archive. Let's just quickly see. I have to see the command for this, I guess. Paste. Hard to extract. Okay, tar.gz. Okay, dot tar file. So for tar, I guess the instruction must. Okay, the tar will be used. No problem. So ls, we have file. We will convert this file in .tar format. .tar. I guess we have. Yes, we got it. We do tar. Let's just do man of this command. We will read the manual for how to use tar command. So tar a, okay, tar c, I guess. Tar, okay, so it is a GNU style, but I guess it should work with tar d. Let's just quickly see tar d file dot tar and enter. Refusing to read archive contents from terminal, missing F options. Okay, I guess F command will be used. Must specify one of the. Okay, so I think we got stuck again. It is a GNU style usage, so pend update extract. So I think we have to extract this as it is a GNU style, so we do tar extract this file dot tar, and again refusing to read archive contents from the terminal, missing F option. Let me just quickly see once what was the. Okay, so extract get file. Pretty cool. Let me just quickly see the chat if deep hey bro Webu here. So there are many people, I guess. So let's just quickly move. Let me just see the command. command for extracting tar file in Linux. So it is a .tar extension. Okay, xf. So let me see xf. I think it should work this time. Okay, it is. I think we got the file. We got data 5.bin. I think this is the new file because file.tar already exists. Data.txt already exists. So let me just remove both of them. I think camera is aligned. I guess data dot. Let's just remove this rm, and let's just also remove data file.tar. Let's just keep it. Let's see what will happen. We will do file command to know the history of the file. We will see what more has done to this file. So it is again a tar archive. So we can do one thing. We can again rename data 5.bin, and we will rename as data.tar. I guess we have done this. We have data.tar and file.tar, but we have the current file we have is data.tar, on which we have to do more work. So let's just use let's extract this. We use tar xf, and again we will do data.tar, and I think we got data6.bin. So it is pretty annoying. It is not giving us the final file. It has many compressions. So let's just see what type of file data6.bin is. It is a bzip2 compressed data. So first we will remove the all this extra files. Data.tr, file.tar. Okay, cannot remove. Okay, so we have, I think, done a spelling mistake. File.tar. Okay, no problem. So we have final file data6.bin. We will again renaming this file data6.bin, and we will be renaming it to, I guess, what was the last compression it has? POSIX star, and it is a bzip2 compressed data, so we will convert it in bzip2. So I am renaming this as file dot bz2 ls. Okay, so it is renamed, and let's just quickly decompress it. Bzip2, we will use d extension. We will name this file bz2, and I think we got it. We got file again. So let me just quickly see the charts if there are any. Good to see 6 watching. Okay, so it was 7, 1 left. No problem. You can also describe what are you doing. I am unable to understand. Okay, who are you? What is happening? Deer gaming Vibhu here, Hunt gaming also Vibhu. There is a, I guess, fight in the chat. Let's just ignore it. And for those who didn't understand what we are doing, we are solving a Bandit war game. So war games are just a challenges that we are solving. We will solve one level at a time. In a level, when we solve a level, we get a password for unlocking the next level. So it is a series, it is a loop that we will be solving a level. We will get a password, and we will log into next level. So it has total 33 levels. So what knowledge you should have to solve this is Linux command, a little bit of bash, and programming if possible, and you are through. You can solve this easily because it is If you see Bandit, it is the Bandit Wargame is absolute for beginners. It is very easy as compared to other war games presented over the wire. So let's just quickly move to file. So it is again a POSIX star archive. POSIX star archive. So let's just again rename this file.tar, and yes, here we are, and we have file.tar. We will use tar xf to extract this file.tar, and I hope this time we get the final file because it is pretty annoying. Okay, we got again a bin file. So we will do file data. It is very much annoying. So it is again a gzip compressed data, and it was data 9.bin last modified this. Okay, no problem. We will do the same thing again. So let's just rename. Okay, so the final file we have is data 8.bin. So we will rename this again data 8.bin, and we will rename it as it is a gzip compressed data. We will rename let's just change the name of file. Mm, let's just do apple.gz, so it should not create confusion. So we have to unzip this file again, unzip, decompress, and we will be using apple.gz. So it is nothing to related to Apple, it is just a random name, so don't get confused or okay feel tense that we don't know what is Apple command. It is not a command, it is just a random name. Okay, so let's just do ls, and we have again file.tar finally. So let's just apple.gz. Okay, we have Apple. The final file is Apple, so we have to see what is file Apple. So it is a sky test. I think we should cat this as it is a sky. Okay, finally we got the password. It was a long level and pretty much boring and annoying. We are doing the same thing again and again. So we got the password, I guess, for the Bandit 12. Copy the selection, exit this session. We will be joining a new SSH session, and so let's just move to another level. We will go to Bandit 13. So level 12 to level 13 we have, I think we have done this, and we will move to level 13 to level 14. So I will take a quick water break. Oh my God, thought, I think you were not able to listen properly. You guys have no sound, I guess. I have done a blunder. Nice. So let's just copy it and let's just paste the clipboard and enter. Okay, we have entered it ASPLX. We have SSH key private, but it is saying that the password stored here. Let's just try to access this. We do cat and control shift V. Let's see, it is okay. The permission is denied. So it is already mentioned that it will be only be opened by user Bandit 14. So although we have SSH key, but we are still not able to log in. SSH key dot private. Okay, this is the key. Is this same or not? EPA1. EPA1, this key is absolutely same. So let's just see. Key, we have key here, we have key 2, I guess. LS. And let's just view the contents of key 2, cat key 2. Okay, we have the content. So it should work. Let's check here. SSH I, we have key 2. We will be doing bandit. Bandit 14 at the rate. Let me just copy that from here. Bandit labs. Okay, so we should copy this. Copy selection and paste here. I think it should work. Okay, it is showing permissions are to open. It is required that your private key files are not accessible either. So we should rename this file or what? We should use sudo. Let's just use sudo ssh. I think it should work. We will use key 2 and the same command. Copy selection, paste clipboard. Let me just quickly see the charts. I know it is become a little boring, but it is interesting if you do on your own. 22, 26. Yeah. Yes. Okay, so we got it. We have to, the thing we were not doing is providing sudo. So sudo is super user. If we want to run as administrate that, similarly in Windows, what you do, you run as administrate. In Linux, we use sudo. So we have login in. Okay, we have logged successfully. We will do cat etc. We have the 14 to 15, I guess. The password for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level. Okay, to the port 3000 on localhost. Okay, so in this, I think we have to use a netcat. Okay, we have NC here. Okay, 5 people are still watching. Nice. It gives me a bit of motivation that people are still watching this. So let's just see the folder. Let etc bandit pass bandit 14. So let's just access this bandit pass bandit 14. Enter. So we got the password, but we cannot directly use it. So if we do exit, we should not exit, but let's just see. Bandit, we will be doing 15, but this password will not work, as I have said earlier. If we use copy paste the password, if we see if it is working or not. Okay, check chats, but there is nothing. Audio glitch. Audio glitch. There's still audio glitch or no? Oh, my mic was not in front of my mouth. That is why I was not audible, I guess. But I am now. I am audible. Can you confirm it now if I am audible or not? I guess I am now. Audio glitch, not audible. That's what I said. Audio is not audible. Nice. I like it. So you have seen that permission denied. It's a request that someone please. नहीं अब ठीक है. Okay, thank you Nitin. Welcome to the stream. And okay, so someone is texting me that I should see the chats. Yes, audible. Thank you. So we have seen that this password will not work as the instructions said. So the password for the next level is stored in this, and you can only so we have to 14 to 15 in order to access the level 15. We need to send the password to port 30,000 on localhost. So we can do one thing. Hunt gaming is me. Okay, nice. Thank you. So thank you for this hard work that you are seeing my stream from both the accounts. Thank you very much. So let's just where we are, I forgot. So we need to again log into Bandit 14. Sudo key sudo command is such. Okay, so we'll do asplex, and okay, we have .ssh. Okay, so we have the current password. So what we need to do, we will use netcat. So firstly we will see what is netcat. So it is a Swiss Army knife. So it is a simple Unix utility which reads and writes data across networks. So you can read or as it is written, read or write data across networks. So you can share either you can read on the ports or write on the ports. Looks interesting. Thank you. Read on the ports, write on the ports across the network. You just need to specify the port number. So we should see how to although I know what extension to be used, and the Bandit has also in the instructions we have also notified that we will use port 30,000 on localhost, so we will use simple command, I guess. Let's move to this Bandit 14 and netcat on localhost as it is set by the instructor. Localhost, we will specify the port 30,000. Okay, 30,000. 30,000. It is 30,000. Yes. Okay, so we need to submit the password. Or the old password. Control Shift V. We need to submit this. Correct. We got it. So let me just quickly tell you again, explain you again what we need to do. So they have asked us that the password for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level. So in the previous level, if you see the password for the next level, the yes, the Bandit 14, the password for the level Bandit 14 is stored in etc Bandit 14, etc Bandit pass Bandit 14 folder. So we have simply accessed that folder and got the password for the current level. And then if you want to go to the next level, we need to submit that password on the local host by using port 30,000 and by using the command netcat. So we have done the same thing. We have used netcat, specified localhost, specified the port, and specified the password of the current bandit, that is bandit 14, and they have returned correct. And I think they have returned the password for the next level. So let's see, quickly open the new session. We'll do ssh bandit and we will change this to bandit 15. It is now it is getting interesting and a little bit more complex, I guess. If someone is new, it is complex for them, but we will be doing it easily, and I will be explaining you and guiding you throughout this session. So let's just quickly see what we need to do in order to go from level 15 to level 16. Okay, so let's go from level 15 to level 16. The password for the next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to. Okay, pretty good thing. I think there should be another SSL uh, for 15. Okay, so again I think we have to use netcat for this, and the password again I guess the password for next level can be retrieved by submitting the password of current level. So the password of current level, I am assuming that it is again in that etc folder. Cat, we'll do cat etc and bandit pass. Okay, nice. What I have written, man. Bandit pass and bandit 15 this time. So we got the password of current level. So what we need to do now is, okay, so we need to submit the password of the current level to port 3001 on localhost using SSL TLS encryption. Okay, so uh, SSL TLS encryption. So okay, so let me explain you the difference between NC command and ncat command. Let's just see another session, and I am saying netcat ncat. Okay, so there are no manual. Okay, so let me explain you in the simple words. NC is nothing but it is without SSL TLS encryption, and ncat will be used as it is specified. We have to use we have to be SSL TLS encryption, using SSL TLS encryption. So we will use ncat command in place of nc. So let's see if it will work or not. We should close all the previous sessions. So yes, let's move forward and use ncat. Again, we are on localhost, so we will specify localhost, and this time what's the port number? It's 30,001. So we 30,001. Okay, so we need to submit this password here. Copy selection and paste clipboard. And get connection reset by peer. Okay, and get connection is reset by peer. So okay, we have not specified SSL. The mistake we have one mistake we have made. We have to specify SSL and do the same thing. Localhost. I think this should work. Okay, no. There is a problem. I have specified wrong port in this. So 3000. I guess it should work now. Is there still an error? It is waiting for something. But we have given it command not found. Okay, cool. And could not resolve SL, temporarily failure in the name resolution. I think we have to use double hyphen to specify. Let's just use double hyphen, control shift V, and okay, we got it. The problem we are doing is ncat is treating this as extension. I have already told in the yesterday stream that when we write hyphen and anything after that, it is treated as extension. So it is treating hyphen as s as instruction and sl as a string. So it is giving an error, throwing an error, could not resolve source address. It is treating sl and hyphen s individually. So what we have done, we have added an extra hyphen. We have said that you have to operate on SSL encryption. So I think we got the password for the next level. Let me just quickly see the chats once more. Okay, we have. I have observed that I am going a little bit fast. I should slow a little bit. Okay, so let's just terminate this and exit. Okay, so netcat is still hearing on the port. Let me just open a new session. We have the password for bandit 16. So let's just move to bandit 16. So for login, we will use again that SSH protocol and same ID password, same ID, sorry, same ID with bandit 16. And we have the password of from the previous level. We will do copy paste and done. We have successfully logged into bandit 16. Let's see what we need to do in this level. So from level 16 to level 17, The credentials in the for the next level, okay, for the level 17 can be retrieved by submitting the password of the current level to port localhost in the range. Okay, so at this time we have given a range. So we need to firstly we need to scan the localhost and quickly see on which port it is listening. So first find out which of, yes, it is exactly what is written. First find out which of these ports have a server listening on them, then find out which of those speaks SSL, okay, and which don't. There is only one server that will give the next credentials, okay. So I think we have to use hidden trial here. We will getting a multiple servers. Firstly, we should run a scan by using an nmap command. Nmap command, those who don't know, it is just a command that is used to scan the system. It will tell about each and every network protocol that is operating on that system. So we will quickly do localhost. What a spelling I have written, nice. Localhost, and we will specify the port. So the port will be 31000 to 32000. Okay, so we have given 5 ports, I guess. So let's do hit and error. Let's start from the ending. We will test every port. We will do again that nc netcat localhost, and we will try first 31960, and let's just go, and we need to copy paste the password of the previous for the level of bandit 16. So let's just copy this as it will be needed in every step. So let's just copy paste the clipboard, hit enter. Okay, so it is not returning anything, so I guess this is not the port we are using. So let's use another port. We will using the same command. This time we will use 31790. Let's just see if this port is listening to us or not. Okay, this port is also not listening to us. Nice. I guess I have done a mistake. They have said SSL encryption, I guess. Yes, they have said SSL. So we need to specify that also. So for that, I think we can use ncat again. Ncat. So let me just quickly see if there are still people watching. So we will do ncat. We will specify SSL encryption. We will do localhost, and we will be again starting from the 31960 port. Let's just see ncat input output error. Okay, ncat is not working. Let's use nc only. Okay, and C SSL localhost 31960. Hmm. What what should we do? What we can do is use simple nc localhost that we have done earlier and try the port 31790. It should return the. It is not returning. Let's test another ports nc same, and let's use 3169. So we have used this. Let's use 31691. 31691. Let's just enter the password. Okay, it returned me the password again. So it is as it is something mentioned. There is only one server that will give the next credential. The other will simply send back to you whatever you send them. Okay, so it has sent me the thing again. Okay, so let's just terminate this process and go nc localhost, and this time port 31518. 31518. Oh, missing port number, sorry. Let's just quickly copy paste. It is not returning anything. Let's just again nc localhost. This time we will use port number 310463 31046 and enter. We will be using control shift. Okay, it is returning. So only two ports are returning the same thing and three are not returning anything. What's the error? I guess control shift V. Oh, my mistake. So let's just do nmap scan again. We should nmap scan on localhost. Localhost, or we should say SSL. No, SSL will be specified in netcat. So localhost, and we will be again using port 31000 to 32000. So these are the 5 ports which are open. Let's use nc localhost, and we will specify the port number 31790. Control shift V, enter. It is not returning anything. What's the error? I guess. Okay, we should be using. I guess I'm doing one error. We should be extracting the password. I think I am writing the wrong password. Let's just see if this level has its own password or not. Bandit 16. Okay, this is the password. Hmm. The thing is it is not returning anything. Only the two ports are returning the same string which I am entering, but one of them should return me the password, or there's only one server that will give you the next credential, the other will simply send back to you. Okay, I think I got it. uh, we will use ncat, and we will use ssl. We will use localhost, and we will be specifying this port and hit enter. Control shift V, enter. Correct, we got it. And this time we have not got the password, we got a SSH key. So I think we need to save it in a file, and this is the SSH key that will be used to log into Bandit 17, but I think it is not mentioned here. Find out which, there's only one server. The credentials, okay, they have said credentials. The credentials can be anything. It can be a raw password or this SSL key. So I think there are no chats as such now. There are 6 people who are watching. Thank you for being in the stream. So let's just move on. Let's just save it in a file. I think I have already this ls nano key. Okay, okay. There's a bit error which I have done. I think it is already present here, and it is same MIEEEOG. Yes, it is same. So we will be using this RSA private key for login to the next level. We should terminate the process, exit this level. Okay, so the process will not be terminated. Let's just take another session, and we will be using SSH. Again, the same I extension. This time we will use key and bandit 14, and I think we should use sudo as it is an open key. So let's use sudo. We will give the password of my computer. It is asking, okay, bandit 14. Oh, made a mistake. This is bandit, this need to bandit 17. So okay, enjoy your stay. We have bypassed this level and we have moved on to bandit level 17. So let's take a quick break before, and let me just see if I am visible. Yes, I am visible. Hi to all those who are present in the stream. The camera is good, I guess. It No, it is good here, I guess. So let's just move to another level. We will be going from level 17 to level 18. There are two files in the home directory, password.old and password.new. Okay, so the password for the next level is the only line that have been changed. Okay, it is a bit easy. We will use diff. I think it is mentioned also. Okay, it is mentioned diff. So let's just see how many files or what is present in this. We have password new, password old, and I am seeing this something dot ssh. I think it is regarding it will become in the next level. It will come. Okay, so let's just use diff. So what we will do in this level is now they have said there is a difference between this and this file, and there is only a one line difference, and that is why we are using this diff command. So we will be specifying password old first, then password new. Password old dot old and password dot new, and let's just see, no such difference. Okay, passwords. Okay, there is a spelling mistake. S I have missed. Let's just see. Okay, they have given me two things, this and this. uh, is there any other hint? If you solve this level, you see bye bye when you're trying to level log into Bandit, and this is related to next level, Bandit 19. Okay, so this, let's just do one thing. The password for the next level is in password new and is the only line that has been changed. We got two things here. This uh, we are not sure which is the password. Let's just try both of them, and I'm confused a little bit what it is saying. It is uh, something telling something. It is hinting something about Bandit 19. So currently we are on Bandit 17, and we have got two passwords for Bandit 18. If you have solved this level and see bye bye. Okay, when trying to log into Bandit 18. So let's just use another session. Let me just quickly go through the chats if there are any. Hmm, pretty good stuff. So let's just move to Bandit 18. We will be using two password and see what will be the correct one. Bandit 17, and let's just copy it. Copy selection and paste clipboard and enter. Let's just see it will work or not, or permission denied. Okay, so I think this password is this second string. Copy selection and let's just paste the clipboard and hit enter. Okay, we have seen bye bye. Enjoy your stay. Oh, so we are logged in or not? Connection to Bandit closed. Nice. Connection is closed. What to do now? So you were trying to, if you have solved this level, see bye bye when trying to log into Bandit. This is related to level, next level 19. Let's see. What is level 18 to 19? How to log in? The password for the next level is stored in file readme in the home directly. Unfortunately, the someone has modified dot logout. Okay. Hmm, we will do one thing in this. So if we see that if we're trying to log into this, Control Shift V, it is throwing me out of the server. So I need to get, I think I need to get a shell on this Bandit 18. So for that, I need to run the terminal here of Bandit 18. I am not able to get that. You have also seen that when we log into a certain level, the user changes Bandit 17 at the rate Bandit, and when you see this Vyad at the rate Kali, this is me. This is my default server. So when we are trying to log into this Bandit 18, it is throwing us out. So we need to get a terminal of Bandit 18. So let's just do one thing, sudo. No, we will begin from SSH T and we'll do Bandit, and we need a shell for this 18th level of Bandit. So we have specified slash bin slash sh. So let's just see if it will work or not. It is asking for password. Let's just give the password. Okay, we got the shell. So this is the dollar sign represent that we can execute the command. So let's just execute ls. So we got a file readme, and that is what we want to achieve. We will find a file readme in the home directory. Someone has modified bash rc. So to log out, when you log into okay, that is why we are not able to log into ssh. So let's just cat this readme, and we got the password. I guess this is the password for bandit 19. So let's just uh, exit from this, and we will be connecting to bandit 19. uh, so let's just paste the password and hit enter, and connection is successful. We have bypassed this level also, and we are in bandit 19. So let's see the instructions for bandit 19 to 20. To gain access to the next level, you should use a setup binary in the home directory. Execute it without arguments to find out how to use it. To gain access to, you should use the set UID binaries. Okay, so there is something like SU type of file. Execute it without arguments. Okay, don't need to execute it. The password for the level can be found in usual place after you have used the set UID binary. Okay, so let's just see what it has. Do ls. Okay, it is a binary file. So what we can do is we can run this file, I guess. Let's just try to run this, and it is showing example. Run a command as another user. Okay, so we can run. Okay, so we have to specify something here. So we can do is bandit 20. We will not do cat directly. We will use a binary file. Before using cat, we will use etc and similar bandit pass, this time bandit 19, enter. Okay, the permission is denied. Thank you. Permission is denied. So let's see, we can access bandit 20. Okay, we have the access. Okay, I am doing something wrong, that we are accessing the password for 19, but we already achieved the password for 19. So we need the password for bandit 20, and that is what we got. So let's just copy it, uh, exit this. Okay, let's just quickly see the chats if someone is present or not. Pretty good. I think only two people are still watching. One is me itself. No problem. We just stick to this. And as we got the password for Bandit, let me just do quickly do one thing. Please give me a second. Okay, so let's move to Bandit 20. Paste the clipboard, hit enter. Okay, so let me just do one thing. Please give me a few minutes of break. So let's start again. We got bandit 20, and we will do ls aspl. Oh, we have done a mistake here. Ls aspl, and we will. Okay, we have su connect. What we need to do for this command, for this level, sorry. So we are moving from level 20 to level 21. So there is a set UID binary in the home directory that does not, okay, that does the following. It makes a connection to localhost on the port you specify on the command line argument. It reads, okay, so I think we need a two sessions for this. It reads a line for the next from the connection and compares it to the password in the previous level. If the password is correct, it will translate the password to the for the next level. Bandit 21. Try connecting to your own network. Let me just quickly do this. So connect. This program will connect. Okay, we need to specify a port number. Let's just take 1234. Could not connect. Nice. Pretty good stuff. Program will connect to the given port on localhost using TCP if it receives the correct password. So I think we need to set up netcat as well. Let me just quickly see the stream if it is going right or wrong. Okay, so we are not able to connect. So let me do one thing. Create new session for Bandit 20, and let me just. We need to do netcat for uh, you know sending the password to 1234 port. So we will be having two sessions. First will be the su connect, and su is nothing but set uid connect, and we will have a netcat session. Let's just see, control shift v, we paste the password, enter, and we got it. So let me just localhost host, and we will specify the port 1234 and enter. Okay, it is not working. Nice, pretty good. I think I have stored one command for this. I think it is in Bandit. So. Okay, we need to submit the password of. Okay, I got it. We need to submit. Let me just first see this password etc bandit pass. Okay, spelling bandit pass, and we will do bandit 20, and we have the password. So we need to send this password to netcat. So netcat, we don't need to send this password. Actually, we want that this 1234 should listen to our port. So should listen to us. This port should listen to us. So we will use extension L, and we will specify the port 1234 and enter. Let me just see that so connect if it is working or not. Password matches, sending next password. I think we got the password. Yes, we got it. Copy selection. So the thing we have done is we have initiated that, as it is mentioned, that we need to send the password to a particular port on which this su connect also listens. So we have first configured that netcat to 1234, that it should listen to 1234 and send this password to su connect, and su connect is also on the port 1234. So it says password matches and sending the next password, so it returned the password to netcat. So I think we have the password for the next level, and moving on, we will exit this level. We will do SSH and we'll log into level 21. Pretty good. So we have password for this level, I guess. All well. Thank you, Nitin, for being in the stream and helping me. So let's just see what this level has. We are in level 21, so we will be moving from level 21. So we will keep it till 24 level, I guess. Or we should do level 25, 26. So we will keep it till level 24. Program is Okay, the program is running automatically. Okay, the cron. Okay, the time-based job scheduler. Okay, look into this directory for the configuration and see what command is being executed. Pretty good. Let's just quickly do this. Okay, so let's just move to cat etc and cron.d. Cron is a directory. Okay, sorry, my mistake. We need to change the directory. So etc cron.d. Okay, so we'll do ls and we have much thing present here. Hmm. So let's see what it is saying to do. A program is running, okay, for the see what the command is being executed. Look into this and for the configuration, see what the command is being executed. Nice. So let's cat uh, cron job bandit 22 as we are moving to 22 cron job bandit 22. Hmm, let's just see. Okay, so there's a command that is running in this. So it is redirecting us to user bin cron job. Okay, so there is a bash file. Let's just try to access this file. Go to this. It's not a directory. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Cd user bin. Hmm, I need to specify the parenthesis user bin, I guess. So we have cron job bandit 2022 sh. Just try to let's just see the contents of this file, what it is doing. So cron job bandit 22.sh. Okay, so what it is doing is it is changing the mode to 644. That is, this is the 6 for sudo, 4 for user, and 4 for the groups. 6 means it is 4 and 2. That is, it is uh, read, write, execute. So it is reading and writing. It is writing. Nice. Okay, so 4 to 1. So reading and reading. So sudo sudo user has two permission that it can read or write this file. Users can only read and groups, also the groups present in the server can only read. So that is why we can only read. So let's just see the cat. So it is cat means that we are displaying the content, but when we are displaying the content, it is using a redirection command. So the content are saved in this file. So let's just try to access this file. So let's just cd and we will do this. Okay, control shift V. Okay, so I know it will happen. Let me just remove this. Let's okay, it is not a directory, so I guess we should be going in cd temp. We'll doing ls. Okay, we cannot do ls, so we can cat this, I guess. Control shift V. Okay, we can cat this command. So we can okay, so in temp folder, tmp folder, there exists a file t760, the random string. So we have displayed the content of this file and we got a string again. I think this is the password for bandit 22. Let me just quickly exit this level, and by using ssh we will be joining another level, doing the same thing again and again. So we will be now log into bandit 22. We will specify the password, hit enter. Let me just quickly see the chats if there are any. So there are no chats, I guess. Perfectly fine, no problem. Hmm. So let's just display the content. Okay, though, so there is no content. I think we need to firstly just see the instructions of this 2020 22 to 23. So currently we are, I think we are on level 22 and we will be forwarded to level 23. Our program is running automatically. Okay, I think cron will be used again. So look at the shell script written by other people is very useful. The script of this level is intentionally made easy to read. Okay, if you are having problem, what it does, but try executing to see debug information. Okay, so first we need to see the configuration. So we will do cd etc cron.d. We are in configuration. We will do ls, and we need to go to cron job. We need to go to bandit 23. So we will display the content of this file. So this time it is okay. So it is redirecting us to another shell file. So firstly we need to go to user, then bin. Okay, bin, and then we will execute this file. Or firstly we should, let's see the content what it is written here, and control shift v. Okay, it is blank. Wow, nice. I think it should not be blank. There is error, I think. Is control x. I should. So there is nothing. So let's just do one thing. Do ls. Okay, so there are n number of files. Wow. So let's just do one thing. We'll specify the extension for the hidden file and size, parenthesis, and long listing. And we will simply be using piping command, and we will be grep using grep and cron job. We will be able to see all the files starting from this cron job bandit. Let's just see. Okay, there are no cron job. Okay, spelling mistake. Okay, so there are three files we can clearly see. So these three files are extracted from these all n number of files. So there are many files. Nice. So it is not uh, practically practically doable to find these three files from this n number of files. So let's just do one thing again. Do nano. Okay, nano cron job bandit 23. So .sh. So let's see. Okay, we have displayed the content of the file. So let's just understand what it is actually doing. So my name. So my name is who am I? So who am I? When we try to do who am I? Let's just do one thing. Copy the content of this file and just paste here. So we will be able to understand the commands. I think it is not copied. Copy selection. Paste clipboard. So the first line is telling that telling the shell that we will be using a bash. Then the sixth line you can use, you can see that my name dollar sign who am I. So let's see who am I. What it will return, who am I. So I am bandit 22. So this will return bandit 22. My target is echo I am user my name is bandit 22. I am user bandit 22. MD5 checksum. Okay, so it is MD5 checksum cut df. Okay, I understood what it is going to do. Let's just quickly read what is MD5 so we can easily do. MD5 is a computer program that calculates and verify 128-bit MD5. Okay, so it is a hashed file, I guess. So we need to crack the hashes of this sh file and then we will continue. So as described in RFC 1321, the MD5 has hash functions as a compact digital fingerprint of a file. As with all such hashing algorithms, there is a theoretically an unlimited number of files that will have any MD5 hash. So let me just quickly play around with this. So if we do one thing, Let me just copy this command and try to execute this. Let's just copy it and come in the terminal, paste in the clipboard. Let me see what else it is doing. Okay, so it is copying the password file etc bandit and oh sorry etc by name. For example, if my name returned bandit22, the bandit22 password is saved in this temp, and my target is simply the output of this file. So what we need to do is we need to change this my name to bandit23. As it is working for bandit22, we can change it to bandit23. Let me just quickly change it to bandit23. We will trick this terminal and we'll execute this command. And what we will do is, as it is mentioned in the file, this will echo means it will print copy password file matlab कि this password file will be copied to this tmp my target, and my target is nothing but this command, and this command is that we will be executed but not with bandit 23. We will be executing with it with bandit 23, not with bandit 22, but we will execute it with bandit 23. So let me just quickly see one more thing. So the new file, okay, so this is copied to this tmp folder and my target. So let me just quickly find my target command. Okay, it is returned, it has returned as a string. So what we do, we will copy it and we will do cd tmp, and this is the output of my target, and my target should be here. So the outcome will be like something like this. Control shift v. Okay, it is not. Let me just quickly paste it. Okay, so the outcome will be something like this. Let me just copy it and try to open it if we can. Cat, control shift v, enter, and yes, we have cracked it. So basically what we have done is this bandit 22 has a bash file in which it is saying that I am the user bandit 22. It will do the MD5 checksum. You don't need to do go through it or go in deep. You just need to understand one thing, that it is executing the command for bandit 22. I have tricked it to use this command for bandit 23, and we have saved that to temp and this random string, and we are able to fetch the password from this. I think this is the password for bandit 23. So let's just exit this and SSH. We will be going to bandit 23 and enter. So control shift v. Okay, so let me just for a moment. I hope I am visible now. Let me just quickly see. Okay, 5 people are still watching. Nice to know this. 6 people are watching. Nice. So we are back again. Let's just move to bandit 23, and we will first quickly, let me just check the sound, if the sound is coming properly or not. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Nitin, for telling me. Okay, the sound is all good. So we will be moving to bandit 23. So let's just check what we need to do in bandit 23. So we are in bandit 23. So we will be going from bandit 23 to bandit 24. So a program is running automatically at regular. Same thing again. We will use cron, the time-based scheduler. Look in this configuration, see what command is being executed. This level require you to create your own first shell script. Okay, so we need to create a bash script, I think. For those who don't know, I'm also planning, after completing all the level of Bandit, we will start from the basic. Firstly, we will cover the Linux fundamentals. I think I will use a book or textual information along with the practical. Then we will be moving to bash scripting, and that is what we need to do in this. We need to create our own bash script. So this is a very big step. You should be proud. Okay, so we should be proud of ourselves for beating this level. Let's see what we can do. I think it is a little bit difficult level in my opinion. Let's just display the command. So there are no files, so we will be using that cron thing again. Let's just move to etc cron.t. Okay, we have done a mistake. Okay, so we are in cron.d, and again we will do. Okay, we know one thing that let's just simply display the content first. So we will be again going to this cron job bandit 24. We will, I think I should first display the content of this. After that we will be able to extract the folder in which we need to go. So this is the folder user bin again, so we will be going in user bin. So there existing a file called cron job bandit 24. So we need to first see the contents. Let's see what is inside this file. Cron job 24.sh. Okay, I made a mistake, I guess. Bandit 24.sh. Okay, so it is a script, I guess. Pretty good thing. Okay, we need to write our own script in this, but we got uh, a script, I guess. Automatically got a script. So from 23 to 24, what was level 22 to 23? Okay, we have done that. 23 to 24, you need to write your own script. Okay, let's see what we need to do. So firstly we should be okay. So okay, boom, bandit, no such file or directory. It is okay, completely understood this. So we just got a file and we don't know what to do. We have this level due to a program is look for the see what command is being executed. So we have already seen what command is executing and deleting. Okay, so it is deleting all the script that is present in var spool my name means this time bandit 23, I guess. Let me see the chat first. No new chat. So let me just do one thing. Oh, I made a mistake. Control X. No, we don't need to modify this file. So in this level, we have given no idea, but I think they are saying that they will delete all the. So I think this folder is something more important to us. We should not go inside this command. We should. Okay, so owner start format. Owner means bandit 22, bandit 20. Okay, so it is converting owner to bandit 23. Then timeout. Okay, we have just 1 minute to do what we want to. So RMF, it is force removing all the files that is present. Okay, so I think we need to create a script in this. Firstly, let me see one thing. If we are able to see the default password as in all the levels, control X, enter. Okay, so let's just cat etc bandit pass, and this time it is bandit 23. We are getting a password, but we need the password for next level, I guess. Okay, no such file directory. Okay, permission denied. So I think we need to do one thing. The thing which I am planning to do is whatever the content that is written in this file, we will be redirecting it to a new file. So let's just do one thing. We should create a new directory. We will go to parent directory. We will go to home. Let's create another directory in temp. We have temp, I guess. Still, we have temp. Yes, we have temp, but we cannot see what's inside it. So permission denied. Okay, so we need to create a directory, I guess, mkdir, and we will be creating a. Let's just take a random name. Let's take Roma 0000 and hit enter. I think we have created a directory, but we cannot see if we have created because permission is denied. So we can do one thing. Mm, Let me just create a script sc.sh, and first we need to see we can create or not. Okay, we can create this file. The problem is we also need to see that we can save this or not. So let's just create a simple bin bash. We are specifying that we are using a bash commands. We will be using a bash commands, and what we will do is cat whatever the content written in this etc bandit pass bandit what was on what level I am, bandit 24. We need the password for bandit 24. The file exists, but we cannot see this file directly. So what we need to do, we will be redirecting this output into a new file, that is tmp. We have created a directory Roma 0000, and let's just create a file pass, and let's just do control X, Y, and enter. Unable to create home directory. Okay, so have we made? Okay, we cannot see if we have made this. Let's just do one thing, change the mode of this file to 777. So what does 777 do is, let me quickly show you one more thing. Can I need a new file. So okay, so there's a formula: 4 for read, 2 for writing, and 1 for executing. So we have 3 blocks basically. So when we using 777 command, so what it is indicating is that first one is for the sudo group, second is for the users, and third is for the other groups that are present. So how this 7 come? This 7 come by the product, by the sum of this. For example, if we talk about sudo, so it has all the permission. It can read also, it can write also, it can execute also. Similarly, the user and group have the similar processes. It can also read, write, and execute, but we can change it. We can, for example, if we want to give the privilege to sudo, we can give it 7, that the sudo user can read, write, and execute. And we will give 4, that the user can only read the file. He cannot write, he cannot execute. And similarly for the group, we can give 4, so that she can also just read the content of the file. He cannot change or execute the file. So in this case, we will be giving 777 to this file sc.sh. One thing we also need to do is touch pass. Touch command is used to create a file. We have, as in the bash scripting, we have specified pass file, so we need to first create that. Okay, it is created. We will also change mode of this, so we will be changing the mode of this. So we have seen earlier, if we move to parent directory and we move to cd user bin and run that bash file. What was that bash file? Let me just quickly see. ls grep cron tab cron job, I guess, cron job bandit 24.sh. I think it should let's just do cron job bandit. So we have three files. We will execute this. So for executing this, we will be doing cron job. No, we will not execute. We will just need to see this cron job bandit 24.sh. Let's just see. So it is, I think we have the permission for this folder. We can copy these file, copy those script that we have made to this folder, and we can execute it. So but the condition is that we have only 60 seconds to do that. So we will, I think first we should check if we have permission to just directly go to this spool, and what was it, was the user bandit 24 and foo. So yes, we can, but I think we cannot display the content. So I guess we can do one thing. As the files will be deleted automatically in 10 seconds, and we will get the password in 60 seconds after copying our script to this folder. So let's just jump to our temp Roma 00. Okay, Roma spelling Roma 0000, and we have, okay, no such file directory, no problem. CD, and we will go again CD temp Roma 0000. We are here. Let me just quickly go through the chat. If okay, we have two people watching, four people watching, two people watching. Nice. So let's just see. We do ls. Okay, we cannot see the files. Hmm, pretty much interesting. Else, okay, but we have created a file. Let's just do nano sc.sh. Let's just see. Okay, the files are automatically deleted. Nice. Pretty good stuff. I like it. The files are automatically created, but as mentioned in the command, it will only create, only delete the files existing in this. This is our temporary folder. Why it is deleting from this? So let's just do all the process again, and we have to be little bit fast, I guess, this time. nanosc.sh. Oh, damn, we have to write that command again. We will do specify that we are doing bash. We will do cat etc etc. It is etc, yes it is bandit pass, and it will go bandit 24, and we want the output of that file. Okay, so there is error, I think. We need that output of a file in the new file created by us, that is tmp roma 0000 in pass. So let's just do control X. Yes, enter. Okay, again we will do nano sc.sh to see if these exist or not. Yes, it is existing. We will change the mode, change mode to 777 sc.sh. We will again do nano. If there is no changes, no, there is no changes. We will do control X. We will touch or create a pass file. We will change the mode for this file also. So okay, we have done this. So let's do one thing. Let's copy these files. Let's copy sc.sh and pass to where spool. Oh, I have written car. Nice. Where spool and bandit 24 and foo. Let's just see. Okay, we have done. So we have, okay, ls, we have the files created. Let's just move quickly to the directory before it delete it. Okay, we have 60 seconds to do that, I guess. Paste the clipboard, enter. We have in the directory. We cannot see the, but we can cat. I guess we can use cat command to pass. Okay, we didn't get the password. We still have 60 seconds. Let's just wait for 1 minute. Let's just do cat scsh. Okay, this is working absolutely fine. Let's just do cat Pass again. Okay, we still didn't get the file. I think we need to wait for 1 minute. I'm scared the files should not be deleted. It is very hectic to create new files. So 3 people are watching. Nice. So let's see again. Okay, nice. Cat pass. No such file directory. It is deleted. Oh, I know that. It will be deleted. Cat sc.sh. Okay, this was also not there. The files are deleted. Hmm. So this was a 60 second timeout of the deletion of the files. Nice. Good stuff. Let me just do one more thing. I need to confirm that we are doing same thing or not. We are doing the right thing or not. So let's just do cat etc bandit pass. I think this is the pass bandit 24. We do not have the permission to do so. We have the password, but we do not have the permission. So what we are doing that we are redirecting this to the temp.roma 00.pass, but it is not working. Let's see a temporary folder if it is still existing or it is deleted. We will do ls. Okay, the folders are existing still. So I think I need to change with a little bit change in the script, I guess. So if we need to, I think I have used it, this redirection in invert way. Let's just do this and save and enter and do that copy again, sc.sh and pass, and we will be doing that to var spool bandit 24. Whew. Okay, it is copied, so we will be redirected to this. Let's go to this. Let's change cds for change directory. Let's change the directory to uh, this. Okay, we cannot do ls, but we can do sc.sh. Okay, it is working now. We can do cat pass. It is not working. We can do again cat pass. We should do it again and again until it returns our password. Please, brother, please. Oh, it is return. It has returned the password or not? Okay, I have sc.sh. Let's just do cat pass. I think we need to execute the file also. Let's just sc.sh execute it. Okay, no such file directory. I think the files are deleted again. Cat sc.sh. Ah, nice. The files are deleted again. Pretty much annoying. Uh, let's just go to tmp again and roma 00. So let's see the files. Yes, they are here. Let's use the cp command again and copy that files again. Then use cd. We will change the directory to this. Copy selection, paste clipboard and enter. We are here now. Let me do cat sc.sh. Okay, do cat pass. Okay, we got the password this time. Ah, thank you. Let me see how much duration we have covered. Okay, we have, I think, it's around 2 hour. Comatose is your visible. Hmm. Okay, so let's just move to another level, or should we end the stream? Uh, for 5 minutes, I'm open to chat if someone want to ask something regarding this. Um, 6 people are watching. Nice. Pretty good. But I'm not able to see the live chat here. I don't know why. Studio mode. I have done a mistake. Settings, I guess. Appearance, stream. I don't know. There's the option for the live chat. Let's just not go there. Linux कितना आना चाहिए? Linux कितना आना चाहिए? So you should know the basic command. For example, ls cd mkdir. For example, let's for if you are uh, asking me for the reference of computer science, so most of the servers in computer science are organized in Linux. So when you are talking about deployment of a project, so or working of fewer systems, or the systems are connected to a Linux server, so you need to have a little bit of knowledge. But if you want to go in cybersecurity, you should be a pro in Linux. For example, you should know basic commands like ls for listing the files in the directory, cd for changing the directory, and mkdir for making a new directory. Okay, rm can be used to delete a file. So there are basic commands. After completing this Bandit series, I will be moving to Linux fundamentals so that you guys can follow up with me and learn basic, at least basic Linux with me. So that is all. Oh, I see. Thank you. Any more questions? I am open for questions, or just we should move to another level. Okay, we got the password for Bandit 24. Let's just exit and uh, log into 24, and it's just control shift V, enter, and I think we got. Okay, we have successfully bypassed this level. So we will be doing level 24 to level 25. Our demon is listening on the port 3002 and will give you the password for bandit 25. The given password for bandit 24 and numeric digit 4-digit pin code. There is no way to retrieve the pin code except by going through all the 10,000 combination called brute forcing. You do not need to create new connection each time. So I think it is brute force thing, and let's just leave it for tomorrow, or should we solve this also? I think we should go for this last level, I guess. Let me quickly read the chats again, if there are any. So I guess we should do this level also. Let's see what we should do in this LSAL. Okay, we do not get any file. Let's just see what to do. Our demon is listening on the port 3002 and will give you the password for bandit 25. If given the password for bandit 24 and numeric 4-digit code, there's no way. Okay, so we need to give the password for 24 bandit 24 and a 4-digit numeric code. So 4-digit numeric code to retrieve the pin code expect by throwing all that. So I think we need to create a script for this, for I think brute force script. So let's just do this. I think we have that. Still we have that tmp folder. Yes, we have. We cannot do, I think we cannot do ls. We cannot do. So let's do mkdir roma 0000. Cannot create directory, file exist. Okay, this directory already exists, so it is much good. We do not need to create another directory. So let's just create a script. Let's just use nano. I think this is the last level which we are doing. There are total 33 levels and we will be. So the game continue. Yes, the game is continued. Please define these commands at least once after starting the stream so that we can learn it. Okay, I have Nitin, I have already discussed in my stream 0. You can refer to that, but you don't need to. Let me finish up with this bandit series. I think one more stream would be enough to complete this. I think we are left with 8 levels only. Yes, we have 34, 10 levels approx. So I think in tomorrow's stream I will complete all the full bandit, and then we will be uh, s- start from the basic Linux fundamentals. Then operate. I think I will firstly cover the operating system, history of operating systems, and we will do networking for example, computer networking, TCP IP models and network protocols, this SSH ports and Nmap. Then I think we should be moving to bash scripting, what that I am planning, and let's see where it goes. But firstly, I think I should complete, if I have started this bandit series, let me just complete it. I will take one more stream of around 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, might be 4 hours, because it is difficult at the end, I think. So let's just see what happened. Okay, so we will be resuming with this level. Let's just do nano, and uh, we will be creating a new file. So let's just write a script for this. We will be using bin bash, enter, and we will give the password. The password is, I think, pretty much known. Okay, I've done a mistake. Control Shift V. This is the password for the previous level. So we will be using the password for the previous level, and we will use a for loop for a in password, for a in password. No, for a in 0. I think it has given us the limit 1 lakh. 1 lakh, it is 10,000. 10,000. Okay. So we will go from 0 to 10,000, and let's just create. Okay, so we will use do. We will uh, do, and I think we will use echo. So what we will be echoing? So we will be giving that password thing, and we need to specify a 4 letter. So let me just create a space in between this, and we will specify $a. A is from 0 to 10,000, and let's just, okay, if we need to listen on the port also, I guess. So we will be using a piping command. We will use netcat as told earlier, and I guess we have to listen on localhost uh 30,002. So we will do netcat local host. We will be using port 30,002, and we will store this in result. And what we will do is, okay, we simply do and just od. Okay, sorry, we use done. So I think this is created. We will do yes, and we should name uh, brute.sh and enter. Permission denied. Nice, I know it. So let's just copy the selection, control X, and yes, no, and control X, yes. Okay, nice. Let me just control X n. So we cannot directly, so we should do is nano brute.sh. Let me just go through the chats if there are any. So there are cybersecurity basics would be great to start after finishing this. Yes, start everything from basic so that we can understand more accurately. Okay, I will I will start from cybersecurity, I guess. I was planning that I should be targeting the intermediate, but let's just start from the basic. We will be going uh, from the scratch of cybersecurity. We will be understanding each and every terminologies in cybersecurity, and then we will be resuming with our own work. So let's just do one thing. Okay, I think this time the commands are being distinguished. So I thought this will work. I think this should work this time. Let's do control X. Yes, enter. Okay, permission denied. So we have already copied the content of the file. Like, copy selection, Control X N. Okay, so we do not have the permission, I guess. Is there any chat? Okay, so there are no chats. So let me do one thing. Let's just create touch brute.sh. Do I have the permission? No, we don't have the permission. Nice. So I have created this TMP, I have created Roma 00. Let's just do one thing. Let's just create another directory. Uh, if you are with me in the chat, suggest me a fancy name so that I can create a directory. If let's just take a random name. Let's just take this name, Nitin. Nice. MKDIR Nitin. And we will do 0000. And I think we have made it Nitin. Nitin 0000. Enter. Let's just try to create a file here. root.sh ramuter. Okay, we have the permission, I guess. So we should brute.sh. Big dudes. Okay, nice name. So let's just paste the clipboard, and I can this time. Okay, the file is successfully created. Thank God. So we need to do is change the mode to 777. I have already told what to do. Let me just show you this again. So how this mode works: the first is for the sudo, second is for the user, third is for the group. So there are three types. Four is represented as read, two is represented as write, and one is executing. One is represented as executing. If you want all the three modes, we can add them 4 to 1, and we can use 777 that is why we can use because we can use 777 as 7. First 7 is used for pseudo groups, second 7 is used for users, and third 7 is used for groups, local groups. So as we are as we are a local user, we are not the owner of the system, so we should create we should give a permission to us also. So let's just change mode to 777, and the file name is brute.sh. Enter, and here we are. Let's just do ls. Okay, we can do ls. So let me do just let me we can use sort function, or let me just first initiate this script. Okay, we have initiated the script, and we have stored it in result. So let's just sort the result first. I am the pin code checker for user Bandit. Please enter the password for user Bandit 24 and secret pin code on the line separated by the wrong. Please enter the correct password and pin code. Okay, so do one thing, sort the result, and we will specify that unique, as we have used it in yesterday's stream, unique function. So it will separate all the passwords, it will sort all the passwords, and it will as there will be repeated passwords, so it will unique command will do, it will separate the most unique command of all the passwords that are stored in. Let me just show you what is result. Cat result. Okay, we cannot directly see cat, no problem. Let's just do one thing. Let's just sort result, and okay, the piping command is not work. Okay, it worked. And we do unique c. Enter. Please enter the correct password and try again. I'm the pin code checker. Okay, this is not working. Nice. So let me just quickly see chat if there is any. No, there are no chats as such. So let me just uh, read the manual of this command unique. What more we can do? So C is to count. We should not do count. We are not. Okay. So unique. It will only print unique lines, and that is what we need. We need the unique password. So let me do just one thing. Use U and enter. Okay. Okay, I am the pin code checker for user Bandit 25. Please enter the password for user Bandit 24 and the secret pin code on single line separated by a space. Wrong. Please enter the correct password. Correct current password and pin code and try again. Okay, so I think there is something messed up with the script. Let me just what was the script? Brute.sh. Okay, so it is working absolutely fine. Okay, the password we have given the space and forward character. Listening, ठीक will give you the password for Bandit 25. Password for Bandit 24. Okay, so we will be giving the password of Bandit 24. It will generate the password for Bandit 24, and Netcat will give it to the result, and result will be given to Bandit 25 to retrieve the password. So there is no way to retrieve the pin code except by going through all of the 10,000 combination called brute forcing. Is there any chat? No, there are no chats. Have I missed any of them? Uh, no, I have not. So let's just do one thing. Let's exit this, and we have already created. So let's just do one thing. Let's just change the name of the file, nano brute.sh, and we will be changing the name of the file. Let's just name it as pass, and we do control X. Yes, enter, and we again change the mode to 777 to brute.sh. We'll do enter, and let's just initiate this script again. Brute.sh. Let's do ls. Okay, we have the pass, we have the result. So let's do one thing: sort the pass, redirect it to the unique, and please enter the correct password. Okay, we are still stuck here. Nice. What we can do? I think I have just made a mistake within the script, I guess. If we are using the right password or not for the Bandit 24, we got it in Bandit 23. This was the password, I guess. Let's just copy this and do nano, and let's just brute.sh. Let's me just paste it. So okay, this password is working. Okay, this is the password. Okay, this is working absolutely fine. Let me just check the script first. Let me see, my camera is working or not. Okay, it is working. So what we can do is, I have written the script bin bash password. Okay, I have messed up the spelling again. I got it. I messed the spelling password. Let's just do control X. Why this? Let's just initiate one more time, or do one thing before that: rm pass and result. So when we do ls, we have only left with the script, and we'll do brute.sh. The script is run. Sort, again we will do sort, pass, and we will do unique. We will find the unique password. Still it is saying please enter the correct current password and pin code. Nice. So let me just quickly again go through my script. nano brute.sh. So password is okay. So password written absolutely fine. Pin bash for a in 1 lakh or 10,000. Okay, so 10,000. We will do echo password $a nc localhost 30002 pass and we have passed it. We are done with this. We are done with the script. We have not used colons are not used, semicolons are not used in bash. So what what messed up? What thing is messed up here? It is listening on port 3002 localhost echo do done. Let me just the password is also right, so let me just change the mode 777 root.sh. Root.sh. Oh my god. So let me just remove that rm pass. Hmm. So it should return me the password. So let me do ls. We are just left with the script. Let me just initialize the script again. Root.sh. Let me do ls. We have pass. Let me do sort. We will sort the pass and we'll use unique again and specify the unique content. Please enter the correct password, correct current password and pin code and try again. So still it is throwing an error. I think it should work now, but what exactly it is messing up. The script is all right. Let me just go through the script again. Script is looking all right. There are no spaces also. We have used dollar password and we have used a space, specified a space. Spelling is also correct. nc localhost pass and done. We have specified 1000. Okay, it is trying from 0 to 1000, 4-digit combinations. Pretty good. Let's just see if we can. I need to bash. Let me just see the bash script for brute force. If we get something online, Bandit. Let me just do one thing. ls and we have pass. Let me just sort pass. Oh, can we see what is written in pass? We cannot see. Nice. So I think we got another script. Let's just try to use the script. Let me just copy this. We use local send recently used. Let's just try to see the script. It is missing hash. So for I 02999, that is what I am exactly trying to do. Okay, so it is 10,000 possibilities, not 10,000 should be added. I thought it is from 0 to 10,000. I made a mistake. Oh, fuck. Where we were? I think we were here. Nice. So let me just do nano and brute.sh again. Oh, I messed this up, man. Nice. So we're using 00 dot dot and 999 okay, so that is what they have used. Let me just quickly close this and try to run again. Brute.sh retry. Okay, brute.sh is not working. Temporarily unavailable. This is not, it's too ls. Fork retry resource temporarily unavailable. I guess I need to log into this again. I think I messed it up. I messed up the terminal. Let me just I am not able to do anything. Okay, the terminal is closed by itself. I guess it got crashed. So, oh, I think I have lost the password for. Oh, damn! What I have done. I think I have lost the password for the this also 23 also. Oh shit, man! What I have done. Nice. I think I have stored the password somewhere. Of Bandit. Okay, we have the password for Bandit 24, I guess. Oh, because the terminal got killed by itself. So let me just start another SSH service or Bandit 24 and we will be log in with the password. Let me just, okay, we have done the login. Let me just quickly see the chats if people are still there or not. 4 people are still watching. Nice. So let me just do one thing. cd tmp let me take the name again that you have written, comatose. Let's take comatose. cd mkdir comatose. I hope the spelling is same. Okay, we cannot directly see. Okay, we are in the directory. No chats. Okay. So tmp comatose I have created. Now we have to create a file again and we just quickly, okay, I have closed that. Let me just create a uh, new script. We will do bin, and then bash, and let me just specify pass as this is the password. We will start a for loop for a in. We'll start from bracket 0000 dot dot 9999 as it is a 4-digit password. So let me just close it and do echo. We will echo the command. We will use echo command, do echo, and we use all dollar and pass. Will we be using space and dollar a. That is what we using, dollar a. I think there are chats or let's just do this level. Uh, Piping command. Netcat will listen to the port 3002 and it will be stored in result. And and I think I have written a pretty good script. We will use done and we control X, yes, enter. Okay, so let me do one thing. We do ls, we will change the permission 777 brute.sh. Okay, we have done that, so we will try to execute it. Brute.sh fork retry resource temporarily unavailable. I think there is some error in the server. Let's just end this and let me use, I think I have done something wrong in the script. Let me just use the script instead of my own script. uh just a nano brute.sh. uh brute.sh is resource temporarily unavailable. I think my script is crashing this Bandit 24 server. That is the problem. I guess that is the problem. Yes, yes, yes. I need to exit from this and we cannot even exit. Nice. So let me choose just one thing. Close all the terminals. I think it is my system is lagging. Let's close this. Let's close this. Let's close this also. And okay, we need to change this password. So let me just do one thing. New tab, SSH bandit 24, and we will be trying the password again. We have the password here. Copy. It'll be going here. Control Shift V. Control Shift V. Enter. Permission denied. Control Shift V. Enter. I think there's something wrong with the game server. I'm not able to log in again. Yes, I think there's something wrong with the server. Let me just copy it again and Control Shift V, enter. I think this time I will, yes, we have. So we need to take a new name again. CD temp mkdir. This time what name we should take? Aloo khaoge? Let's just take aloo. Okay, so cd so we will be creating a new script again. Brute.sh. I made a mistake, I guess. Nano brute.sh. So we will be using this script instead. Let me just copy it. My script is destroying the server. And let me just do one thing. We need to change the password. Okay, so we'll do one thing that we need the password. So the password for Bandit 24 is this, and we will be specifying this password here, and that's all we want to do here. Chmod 777 brute.sh. Nice. Let me just again see the file. So okay, pretty good. I have used this online script, but I don't know it will work or not. Let's just. Okay, so they have changed mode, and should we run the script directly? Will it not crash this time? Okay, it is not. So let's just do ls, and we have possibility.txt, we have result.txt. Now we want to do is, okay, so let's just sort this result.txt again, and using piping command, and we will be using unique feature with v. I guess it, I think it is v in my opinion, man. uh, Unique. Let me just quickly go through the documents. Mm, so if you want to neglect something, we use v command. It is not specified here, I guess. It should be specified, but okay, no problem. Let me just use v, and we will specify wrong. Okay, what is the problem? Result. Okay. Okay, so wrong. Invalid option. Hyphen v is an invalid option, I guess. Yes, it is. So in place of this, we can use grep. Ah, all the codes are incorrect, or what? All of them are incorrect. Yeah. Correct password. Okay. So when I am seeing this article, this script is absolutely working, but in my case, it is returning continuous errors. So please enter wrong password. Okay, please enter the correct password. Correct password. So we are stuck again. So we have used this result.txt and grep. It is not returning us either a single value, man. Nice. Can should I scroll up? Okay, we got the password. The password for Bandit 25 is this. Okay, my god, this sucks. So I hope this brings the end of the stream, and I am open if someone is present. Let me see if someone is present in the stream or not. Good night. Yes, brother, good night. I'm going to sleep. Okay, I am too, brother. No, I will not. I will be planning for the next stream, I guess. So, bye bye. Good night. Thank you for coming to the stream. But I think we are left with uh, around around 8 levels, and we will be continuing that the same in the upcoming stream. So there will be one more stream for this bandit, and I guess then we will start the cybersecurity on request, the cybersecurity from basics. So okay, so let's just end the stream, I guess. Is there someone more people trying to chat or not? Take some rest, bro. There is no rest in my life. I will be planning for the future streams. I will be searching for good articles and papers so that can be used by me in the stream. I will be not be relied on other video lectures for my personal study. I instead rely on written materials. I will find some useful book or documentary documents or research papers regarding this operating system, networking. Mostly I will prefer a book. So I will read it along in the stream and do the practical stuff that is mentioned in the book. So let me just, if I have some book in my system, let me just quickly see. I think I should be having okay, so I have Black Hat Bash .pdf. So I think this will be the book I will be starting. So this is a Black Hat Bash scripting for hackers and pen testers. So although it is a paid book, but I have its free version. So what it will be covering: bash basics, advanced bash concepts, setting up a hacking lab, reconnaissance, vulnerability scanning, fuzzing, gaining web shell, reverse shell, local information gathering, privilege escalation. I think it is for penetration testing basically. But I have one more book that is more inclined on bash scripting, but I think it has bash scripting plus some penetration testing skills also, because this reconnaissance and privilege escalations and persistence, network probing, defense. Okay, I think these this book will not teach us how to do this, but instead it will tell us or teach us how to make the scripts, our own scripts for gaining this privilege escalation or local information gathering reverse shells. So I guess this is a great book to go on. Let's just see what it is. Basically, it is a practical book, more inclined to practical. See, it is from basics. It is telling us about the command ls, mkdir, ps, and many more. So let's just end the stream. Thank you for coming to the stream, and once again, we will be. It was a great stream. Keep doing okay. Thanks, Aditya. So that brings the end of the stream. Bye bye. Good night. Have a good sleep, and I will be studying more regarding cybersecurity. I will be brushing my skills more and will bring you more content, more polished content regarding cybersecurity and ethical hacking. So, bye bye. Thank you. Good night. Have a good sleep. We will be streaming again. My phone got switch off. So, we will be streaming again tomorrow. I will do a community post regarding the timings, and bye bye.